Hello, hello. I hope everybody's doing well. Well, today we are gonna do a Canva bag, but for the first time, I'm gonna try this vinyl. I haven't tried this vinyl before. This is from TransWonder, and it's a UV color changing puff vinyl. Again, I haven't tried this before. In like always, I like to do this with you guys. So if you like it, you can get it. If not, you can move on. But I always like to do it from zero and opening with you guys. So again, if I do a mistake, you can fix it, or if I, you know, you see something you like or you want to learn how to do it, this is the this is the video for you. Anyway, I wanted to show you what is the vinyl. These are the color changing vinyl. So when you go, like, it will be like white, like the paper you will see it soon. I will show you very soon, but you will see the paper white, but then when you go outside in the sun, it changed colors. So I was very curious about it, and I wanted to do a bag so I can kind of like promo my channel and my shop. So this Canva bag that I have, it's really big, so you can go to the supermarket, whatever. So that's why I'm doing it. But it's kind of cool that you can go outside and change colors. So anyway, this vinyl, it's really cheap, as you can see here. And they have different ones, but the one that I want to try is this one. So I'm gonna put everything in the description like I always do. So if you like it, here we go. But what I'm gonna do is my logo, like I said. Those papers, as you saw here, they're 12 by 10. So keep that in mind. And like that's why I have this size. It's perfect for me. And I'm just gonna put, I'm gonna press make, and I'm gonna put mirror, because remember this is a heat press vinyl, so we always want to do mirror. And here we're gonna go to browse all materials. Let's put here iron. Oop, iron on. And we are gonna pick this one, UV activated color changing. It's perfect for the paper that we are doing, so it should work hopefully. Again, I haven't tried this, so I'm trying it with you. If not, I will let you know. And like always, Cricut tells you, make sure to mirror, like the mirror is turned on and the iron on material is facing the shiny side down. So the shiny area in the paper is what it goes like, not glue, but sticking into your card. So anyway, I will show you soon, but just want to clarify that. So let's go and move on to the materials that we're gonna use and what we're gonna use. So let's go. So here is everything that I'm gonna use. This is my vinyl. As you can see, it's really like white. The papers are really, really bright. Um, they look pretty. I just, just keep in mind that the papers have this little sticker over here, so you will know which color is what. Because if not, you're not gonna see like what color is the paper. So they make your life really easy, and they put the stickers here. And you see, I really wanted it to try this one, but it's really white, so it's not gonna, like, if I'm out of the sun, it's not gonna really show in my bag. So I'm going with this one, the blue one, and hopefully, you can kind of see like the difference. So that's why I'm going with that. But they make your life easy with that. Kind of cool, huh? So as this is my bag, it's really big. I love it. I can't wait to use it. I love bags for some reason. Anyway, and this is my bag, and this is the standard grip that I'm gonna use, the sticky thing to put the vinyl on. So this is what I'm gonna use. You really don't need it this big, but the machine wants me to use this one, so that's what I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna use this paper. So let's move on. Let's cut it, and I will show you guys the rest. So let's put this vinyl in the Cricut machine. So here's my vinyl. Looks amazing. So far, I'm happy. It actually, like the material looks like it's like a good material. So far, I'm happy. Let's put it in the bag. I just want to mention as well that they call for a 305 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. Of course, depends on your when your iron, but the one that I'm gonna use is my Cricut iron, heat press iron. So keep that in mind. But they do recommend to use your like the pressure, like the heat press machines. Again, I'm using my Cricut one. So I have never had a problem using that. If you put the correct pressure on it, you're not gonna have a problem. You can even do it in the floor. If you don't have anything else, you can do it on the floor. So keep that in mind. Don't be afraid. Don't think that you will need a bigger heat press or whatever if you don't have the money, or you don't gonna use it a lot. Really, it's not worth it. So if you have one like mine, you should not have a problem if you use the right amount of pressure. So again, just keep that in mind. So let's put this vinyl in my little bag, in my little bag, not so little. So let's keep going. Oh my God, I love it. I was not, I really like it. Looks like it was actually born there. It makes sense what I'm saying. I actually love it. This is what I like. This, I love it. The puff make it look even better. I don't know if the camera will do justice to what it like how it looks, but it looks amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Like this looks amazing. And again, the puff make it look even better. For some reason, I love puff vinyl, but like this one, I was not really expecting that it looked this great because of the color. That's what I'm saying. So right now I'm shooting this video and it's like really late, so I can just go outside to the sun. But tomorrow I would go out. Well, tomorrow for you will be in a couple of seconds. I'm gonna like going out so I can shoot a video like how we change colors. But so far I'm happy with what I see. And even if it doesn't change colors, I'm happy with this. Hopefully it change colors. But anyways, I like it, so I don't have anything bad to say about it. I really love it. So anyways, go watch the video that I'm gonna shoot tomorrow in a couple seconds. And if you like this video, please, please, please press like, share, and like always, God bless you. See you in the next video. Take care.